Dish was founded on innovation, transforming the way we watch TV. After all, when people said we couldn't launch our own satellite, we did it anyway, to cover the millions of Americans the cable companies wouldn't. It's for the same reason we launched the world's most powerful DVR. It's why you can take all your favorite shows with you no matter where you go, and have the flexibility to only pay for the channels you watch. Why? Because when we've gotten it right, really right, it was when we were listening.
Not to ourselves, not to Wall Street, not to industry experts,
but to our customers. And I'm here to spread the word.
but I'm not a spokesman. That's the way everyone else does things.
Instead, I'm a spokes-listener. And I'm here to listen in an industry that doesn't. Why? Because at Dish, we're tuned in to you.